my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, gentle, meaningful story about believing in your own journey. There was a boy named Arman. Arman was hardworking. Arman had dreams, but Arman often felt confused. He looked at others and felt they were ahead. Someone was more successful. Someone was more confident. Arman often asked himself, "Why am I so slow? Why is my life different? Why am I not there yet?" These thoughts made him sad. They made his heart heavy. One evening, Arman went for a walk alone. The road was quiet. The sky was soft. He saw an old man walking slowly with a walking stick. The old man moved step by step. He did not rush. Arman watched him and asked gently, "Uncle, why do you walk so slowly?" The old man smiled kindly and said, "Because this is my speed." Arman felt surprised. The old man continued, "Every person has a different pace. Every life has a different journey. Some people run, some people walk, but everyone moves in their own time." He looked at Arman and said, "If you rush, you may fall. If you compare, you may stop. But if you trust your journey, you will move peacefully." Arman listened quietly. His heart felt lighter. He whispered softly, "So, my journey is okay?" The old man smiled. "Yes. Your journey is perfect for you." From that day, Arman changed. He stopped comparing. He stopped rushing. He focused on learning. He focused on growing. Slowly, he felt calm. Slowly, he felt confident. Because when you believe in your own journey, life feels lighter and progress feels real. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not rush your life. Do not compare your path. Trust your journey. Walk at your pace. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep believing. And always remember, your journey matters.